Chapter 3. Basic Concepts of Steel Detailing. Structural steel profiles, common structural steel shapes to be used in U.S. The shapes available are described in many published standards worldwide, and a number of specialist and proprietary cross-sections are also available. I-shape or I-beam. The American standard beam contains a rolled section with two narrow flanges with a connecting web. These beams are designated by height and weight. In the U.S., it includes wide flange, WF or W shape, and H sections, HSS shape, hollow structural section, also known as SHS, structural hollow section, including square, rectangular, circular, pipe, and elliptical cross sections, angle, L-shaped cross section, T-shaped cross section, channel, structural channel, or C-beam or C-cross section. Rail profile, asymmetrical I-beam, railway rails, Vignoles rail, flange T-rails, grooved rail bars, a long piece with a rectangular cross-section but not so wide so as to be called a sheet, rod, steel solid rounded or square bar, a round or square section, long compared to its width, plates, steel sheets in rectangular shape, metal sheets thicker than 6 mm or 1/4 inch. Gauge plates, steel or galvanized material sheet, less than 1/8 inch thicker. Please refer following profile shapes parameters as per AISC standards. The following shapes are usually produced to order and subject to mill production schedule and minimum quantity ordered. Also, dimensions and properties given in AISC manual. Detailer will get design dimensions, detailing dimensions, axial properties, and flexure properties. Structural products. 1. W shape, M shape, S shape, HP. Shape. These all type of shapes called I-shape profiles. Also, it's designated by the mark W, M, S, and HP. You will find nominal depth width, in, and weight, LBFT, i.e. W44 by 335 I-shape of profile, so we called W, shape of profile, 44 indicate depth, in, and 335 indicate weight, LB&FT. So identification of profile in manual as shown in Figure 3.2. As per marked dimensions need to refer properties. W shape. K value shows flange thickness plus rounding radius value. As per AISC, KDEs means K value for design and KDET means K value for detailing. This term of workable gauge is refer for holes in flanges BF. Two, channels. This is C-shape of channels, and there are two types of shapes called C-shape and MC-shape profiles. Also, it's designated by the mark C and MC. You will find nominal depth width, in, and weight, LBFT, i.e. C15 by 50, C-shape of profile. We called C-shape of profile. 15 indicate nominal depth, in, and 50 indicate weight, LBFT. So identification of profile in manual as shown in Figure 3.3. As per mark dim, need to refer properties. C-shape. K value shows flange thickness plus rounding radius value. This term of workable gauge is refer for holes in flanges BF. 3. Angle. Angle known as L-shape. Also, it's designated by the mark L. Angles have equal legs or unequal legs. You will find leg size in both width, in, and thickness, in, i.e. unequal angle, L4x3, 12x1 tor 2. L shape of profile, 4, in, is one side leg, and 3, 1, 2, in, another leg, and 1, 2. So identification of profile in manual as shown in Figure 3.3. As per mark dim, need to refer properties. L-shape. Workable gauge for bolting/holes. 4. Structural T, WT, ST, and MT shapes. There are three types of structural tees: WT, ST, and MTTs. WT profile made from W shape, ST made from S shape, and MT profile made from M shape. You will find nominal depth D, inches, and weight in, i.e. WT 22 by 167.5. This profile split from I-shape profile W44 x 335. Please refer manual as shown in Figure 3.5. As per Mark Dim, need to refer properties. VT shape. K value shows flange thickness plus rounding radius value. As per AISC KDES means K value for design and KDET means K value for detailing. This term of workable gauge is refer for holes in flanges BF. 5. Hollow structural section HSS. There are three types of hollow structural sections. As per AISC manual: rectangular hollow section, square hollow section, and round hollow section. You will find depth D, in, and width in, and thickness in, i.e. HSS 7 by 7 by 5/8. Please refer manual as shown in Fig 3.6. HSS shape. The size of HSS it shows in profile: HSS 7-inch depth x 7-inch width x 5/8-inch tuck. The dimension and property information given in manual Figure 3.6 for this HSS profile, covered in material grade A500, A501, A618, and A847. Also in Chapter 4 you will know about structural steel material grades. 6th, pipe. Pipe have an essential rounded cross-section and uniform thickness. Nominal pipe sizes, NPS, are standard pipe sizes with nominal diameter. And STD, standard pipe with extra X, strong, and XX, double extra strong, defined in manual.ie. Pipe 12 STD, also outer dimension of pipe and inner dimension of pipe designated in manual for sizes. Please refer manual as shown in Figure 3.7. Pipe, round shape. The size of pipe it shows in profile with standard diameters. The dimension and property information given in manual Figure 3.7 for pipe profile covered in material grade A53. 7. Double angle. Double angle, also known as two L shapes. It is connected to back in shape, either contacted to each other or separated by the space plate at the point of interconnection for full length. Please refer manual as shown in Figure 3.7. Also, double angles designated with LLBB, long leg back-to-back, and SLBB, short leg back-to-back, i.e. 2L-4 x 3.5-inch x 1/2-inch LLBB means 4-inch leg should be placed back-to-back in position, and this same 2L specified with 2L-4 x 3.5 x 1/2 SLBB, then 3.5 leg must be placed back-to-back of angle. Equal size double angle 2L. Unequal size double angle 2L. 8. Double channel, also known as two C shapes and two MC shapes, is made with two channels are interconnected back-to-back of web, nominal depth, inches, and weight, pounds per foot. Please refer manual as shown in Figure 3.8. For example, 2C15X50 is double channel, is that consist with two channels with 15 inches in depth and 50 pounds per foot weight. And very important is S clearance denotes the separation of two channels in 0 or 3/8 inch or 3/4 inch are covered. Equal size double channels 2C and 2MC. 9. W shape and S shape with cap channel, common combined sections made with I shape profile, and on top channel web is interconnected with profile. 10. Steel plates. Steel plate products ordered as a single sheet, strip or bar material. Structural material differences between plate and bar. Plate designated as PL, 1/2 inch by 5/7/8 inch by 1 foot 3 inches length. It's cut it from plate sheet, but in bar sheet there is fixed in width, sizes, and thickness, i.e. PL 1/4 inch by 4 inches by 1 foot 3 inches. Here, bar width as per product availability. 11th, raised patterned floor plates. This patterned floor plates products ordered as a single sheet, and it's galvanized sheet used in industrial area as well other commercial use. 12th, crane rails. Crane rails are not listed in structural steel in AISC Code of Standard Practice. This information required some of fabricator to provide crane rails. Crane rails is designated by unit weight in pounds per yard. Most of the time, crane rail manufacturer are providing catalog or should be consulted. 13th grading. Heavy duty, HD. Heavy duty. Welded grating has the strength for heavy-duty load areas such as airfields, industrial plants, truck and bus terminals, parking lots, and railroad yards. Common uses are flooring, driveways, subway and tunnel ventilation grills, curb inlet grates, ramps, docks, etc. Stair treads. Welded steel stair treads are the most widely used for their strength and ease of installation and are universally used in most industrial and commercial applications. Stair treads can be ordered with a serrated surface for additional safety. Above all, listed steel material and profiles are to be used as per AISC manual. Thank you for all your attention.